Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study English class 4 PP Longstocking. As we studied before the whole chapter with translation, today we are going to study to do its exercise. As you can see the questions on this page, answer the following question. I have written the answers on the notebook. First question is, what was the name of PP's house? पीपी के घर का नाम क्या था? एंड द आंसर इज, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट द नेम, साइड you have to write the date and day. Answer the following question, write here the question, and I have written only answers here. You have to see the questions from your books. Okay, the answer of first question number 1 is, Pippi's house name was Villa Vlicula. Pippi's house name was Villa Vlicula. You understand? Question number 2 is, what were Tommy and Anika thinking while standing by their gate? What were Tommy and Anika were thinking while standing by their gate? Anika and Tommy अपने गेट पे खड़े होकर क्या सोच रहे थे? And the answer is, they were thinking about how will the day go. कि दिन कैसा गुजरेगा, boring or exciting. They were thinking about how will the day go, कॉमा लगाएं, boring or exciting, कि ये दिन कैसा गुजरेगा, बोर होगा या एक्साइटिंग होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर सी इज, what was unusual about how Pippi went on her morning walk? What was unusual about how Pippi went on her morning walk? And the answer is, her dress was unusual. उसने जो ड्रेस पहना हुआ था वो unusual था. ठीक है. Question number D is, which 3 countries did Pippi say that she has been to? Pippi ने वो कौन से 3 countries के नेम बताए जिधर वो जा चुकी थी? And the answer is Egypt. इजिप्ट का नाम दिया था, फारदेस्ट एशिया एंड कॉन्गो. ठीक है, उसने इन 3 कंट्रीज़ के नेम बताए थे कि यहाँ वो जा चुकी है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट we have to do the A, B, C and D question. Next we are going to do the question number 2. Say whether the following statements about the story are true or false. First one is, Tommy and Anika live next door to Pippi. It is true. T. The monkey was wearing an orange tie. False. Pippi's shoes were too small. False. Pippi's shoes were very big. Tommy was very shy. False. Pippi walked home backward. True. Pippi invited Tommy and Anika to breakfast. True. Okay. You have to write the questions answer on your notebook. Next, come towards the some meaning, words meaning. Words meaning. Braided mean plaited or twisted. Braided mean plaited or twisted. Stepped out, go outside. Stepped out, go outside. Stockings, long socks. Stockings, long socks. Cannibal, one who eat other people. Cannibal mean one who eat other people. Remarkable mean someone special. Remarkable mean someone special. Okay students, you have to write the words meaning on your notebooks and also the questions answer on your notebook. Understand? आज के लिए यही काम है. अगले काम से फिर आऊँगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.